I'm going to show you guys how to change a cabin air filter and engine air filter on a Kia Forte. First, you want to remove these side locks. These are the stoppers for it. Second step is to remove the hydraulic arm. Next, you're going to remove this panel by squeezing these pins. There's the cabin filter. Here's a new one. It is an activated charcoal cabin filter, so it should be pretty nice. Next, we're going to put the filter in. After that, we put the cover back on. They put the stoppers back in. They twist in place. Remember to put the hydraulic arm back on it. This pops back in. After that, you're done. Change the engine air filter. You're going to pop these pins off. You're going to lift it to the side. Pull this up out. And get the new one in. Alright, I'm going to put the top back on it. Pop these pins back up in place. And after that, you're done. That's how you change the cabin filter and air filter on a Kia Forte.